All the tools with the 3E Tech display are just universal tools, and you can easier set up the diameter. You have one display for all your tools with the same connection, which means less cost. You have a faster adjustment and less scrap parts, especially for very expensive tools. I'm Markus Pommerich, technical consultant at WOHLHAUPTER. WOHLHAUPTER is a manufacturer for boring tools from 0.4 mm to 3 m and 25. Together with Allied, we have a solution in drilling and boring for the whole market. Please visit us as EMO in Hall 4, booth A4.